This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check games or apps that connected to your Facebook account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook makes it quicker and easier to sign in to apps and websites, as you typically don't have to go through a lengthy sign-in process simply using your Facebook profile. Even though this feature is convenient, you might want to remove some of the apps connected to your Facebook or simply manage the permission. Fortunately, you can do just that from your Facebook setting. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. You can go to settings. You can click on three lines over here. Scroll down, choose on settings and privacy. Choose on settings. You can just scroll down from here. You can go to apps and website. On your activity section, there is an option apps and website. You can just choose on that. So here's all the games, apps, and website that connected to your Facebook account. As you can see here, I have like Medium app, Blood Strike game, Ford Like, PUBG Mobile, Garena Delta Force, Mobile Legends. Here's all the not only games but also website and other apps. If you want to remove one of them, maybe you want to remove this, you can just choose on the apps or website, choose on remove, tap on remove. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check how to see games and apps that connected to your Facebook account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.